I love how makeup literally transforms a whole face. It's not just glam, but to me it's also dramatic, like theatre or a really good plot twist. So this year my favorite Eyestopper entries were all about that drama. Here are my top 4. Go ahead and recreate these fab looks by heading to shoppersstop.com or the Shoppers Stop app. You want to. They have a whole list of recommended products you can use to make these. Thought that was all? Nuh-uh. Live events, new brands, offers on eye makeup and so much more happening at the Shoppers Stop Eyestoppers on Shoppers Stop Instagram from this 15th till 18th. So, who's joining me?